good morning. Happy Vlogmas day 11. Good morning. Good morning. I woke up not too long ago from good night out. Yesterday was me and my hubby's anniversary, 7th anniversary. So we went out with the family to go have dinner, and afterwards we had like, you know, just alone time, just watch movies and so on and just chill. Yeah. So yes, good morning everybody. How you all doing? I'm fine, as you can see. Just wake up. Not tired actually, but you know, clear my throat. Sorry. Yes. So hope you guys are doing good. Always Vlogmas going on for you guys. You know, I'm trying to get everything ready because I will be hosting a dinner for Christmas at my house. So my mom is coming and a few close friends coming over. So I'm basically trying to get everything ready and getting presents. You know, I already started buying presents from last month. Anyways, actually not even from last month, from the year started. So yeah, hope you guys are doing good. Continue watching to see the rest of this day. I may have combined this day with the next day, or may not. Okay, I'm trying to keep up with this Vlogmas thing. I may not post day 11 on day 11, but I'll try still. Okay, so if you have not liked or subscribed, please do so. Please do so, and also leave in the comment bar if you have any ideas for me to do. I do have a few other videos that I need to upload for this Vlogmas. Sorry. So if you do have any questions, do leave it in the link below. And also, if you guys are in Calgary, Alberta nearby, we can do a meetup if you want as well. Because I think if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment bar below. Yes, and have a good rest of your Vlogmas day 11. I have to pay first. Yes. Pete's? You want to show them? Yeah. You're not showing them anything, Leo. Alright guys, so me and Leo went to come to pick up our pizza that we bought for Monday. It's off and off Monday, I think, yeah, at Domino's. So we're just gonna buy a drink over by the gas station nearby us. Say hi, Leo. Hi. Yes. So that's what we're doing for tonight. We didn't have anything much to do today, so we just chill. Open. Let go. Push. Push. Okay, so I have to pick up something here, and then we're just gonna pick up the pizza. They're already making it, and then we'll go home. Probably watch a movie tonight again. And that's about it. We didn't have anything to do much today on Vlogmas day 11. We just pretty much chill. So we do. If you guys see me good. Yes, Leo. Yes, you have us home. You don't need the susu anymore. So put it away. Put it away. Good job. Thumbs up. Yeah, good job.